Hey guys, Steve from Internet City Computers Detroit here again with another tip for you. Have you ever installed Windows and you were minus a few drivers, like your sound driver or video driver, and you didn't know what to do? Well, I'm going to show you what you can do. This usually helps me, and I hope it helps you. Come on over here and we'll take a look. Okay guys, so here's what I do. We just installed this fresh copy of Windows 7. You can do this with 10 or 11 as well, into this computer, and we're missing a few drivers. So what we do is we started out by using one of these. This is a universal wireless adapter. This has the drivers already on this. We use this all the time. You can pick them up online through Amazon, plug it in a USB port. It pops open a folder that's got the drivers on it that you're going to need for your computer, so at least you can get online. This one is wireless. We've already installed it. We're already connected. Once you're connected, we're going to go ahead and take a look at Device Manager and see which drivers we're missing. So go to Device Manager, and here we see we're missing the network driver, PCI Simple Communications device, and the SM bus controller. So first we're going to go to the manufacturer's website. This is an HP computer. Try to find this model and see if they have drivers for this computer for this installation of Windows. If not, then this is what we do. Let's try the PCI. Hardware ID, copy the first one. Okay, now we're going to go to Chrome. We're going to do a search for this hardware ID. And here we go, HP support. We're going to go right to HP to get the HP driver. Somebody probably listed it here. There's their issue, same as ours. Okay, so we're going to try this one here. Now this is an FTP, which means it's just going to download the driver. As we see here, it's not going to take you to a website. So we're going to click on this driver and install it. It tells us what it is, what computers it's good for, all that good stuff. Next, yes, next, and hopefully it installs with no issues. We'll check it in a second. Next, and we're going to finish. Let's go back to our device manager and look at that. It installed the driver. So that's usually what I do if I cannot find the drivers for an operating system. This can also happen if you upgrade your Windows 7 system to Windows 10 and the drivers are not created for Windows 10 for your machine because your machine intended to run Windows 7. You can do this, and you can usually find the drivers that way. So I hope this helped and doesn't leave you stuck without your drivers so that you can get your machine up and running. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back for more Fix It Right. Adios.